Coconut water has been consumed throughout India for centuries. In Ayurveda, it is known for its medicinal properties. It is often recommended as a refreshing drink for the elderly or those who are weak, and it is accepted as a natural drink with a soothing effect. Coconut water can be helpful for pregnant women in regulating the digestive process and providing relief from morning sickness and constipation. Health conscious individuals also enjoy coconut water because it contains no cholesterol. Coconut water is a nutritious, delicious, and healthy drink. During pregnancy, coconut water helps with hydration, reduce electrolytes imbalance, constipation, and acidity, controls blood pressure, and boosts immunity. As it is rich in vitamins, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants, which are beneficial for both the mother and the baby. However, it is not a substitute for a balanced diet and can increase nausea, especially on an empty stomach and during the first trimester. Now let's talk about the benefits of coconut water for pregnant women. Coconut water is a cholesterol-free drink and it can be consumed at any time. First is maintains hydration and electrolytes. It contains high amount of electrolytes such as potassium and sodium, which maintains fluid balance in the body and prevent dehydration. Coconut water hydrates the body and improves skin elasticity. It also helps reduce stretch marks during pregnancy. Second benefit is improves digestion. The fiber it contains provide relief from problems like constipation, acidity, and bloating. It also provides essential electrolytes to prevent dehydration caused by diarrhea, morning sickness, and vomiting. Due to its high fiber content, coconut water helps relieve constipation. Third benefit is reduces nausea. It helps prevent morning sickness and dehydration caused by vomiting. Fourth is controls blood pressure. Due to its high potassium content, coconut water can help control blood pressure. If pregnant women drink coconut water, it can lower cholesterol. It also helps eliminate bad cholesterol from the body by preventing fat accumulation. Therefore, it is an ideal replacement for sugary and unhealthy drinks. Fifth benefit is boost immunity. Being rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it strengthens the immune system. Coconut water is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, which are essential for pregnant women as they help boost the immunity levels of both mothers and babies, thus protecting them. Sixth benefit is essential for the baby's development. Calcium and minerals are essential for the growth of the baby's bones and teeth. Seventh benefit is source of energy. Coconut water naturally provides energy, reducing fatigue. The presence of potassium and phosphorus improves energy levels. Because coconut water contains 5 electrolytes, it helps control the body's pH levels. Hormonal changes during pregnancy can cause discomfort, which can be managed with coconut water. The uric acid present in coconut water helps produce antiviral agents and kills harmful bacteria. Eighth benefit is prevents urinary tract infections. Magnesium, potassium, and other minerals increase urine productions, which is essential during pregnancy. Reducing the risk of kidney stones, it acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins from the body and lowering the risk of UTIs. Now let's talk about the precautions you should take while drinking coconut water. First precaution is drinking coconut water is a good idea when your pregnancy is nearing the third trimester. Second is during this period, your body needs some essential nutrients. Coconut is best consumed when it is freshly cut and prepared to get the essential nutrients. Third is To prevent an increased quantity of sodium or potassium, you should be careful by limiting your daily intake to 1 glass. Coconut water contains natural diuretics, so it can cause concern in pregnant women. Fourth is, some dietitian advise that you stop drinking coconut water 2 weeks before surgery. This is because it can interfere with blood pressure control before and after surgery. A fifth point is, before consuming coconut water daily during pregnancy, be sure to consult your nearest doctor. So see you in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.